that view down the mountains. Stunning. Okay, so we just parked the bikes up. Bikes are just there. It's got to go back today. I'm gutted. I love that bike. Okay, and then we just found this little coffee shop just off the side of the road. Yeah, there we go. I'll take you in and show you. Up the steps. The owners have got dogs, but they're really lovely dogs. There we go. Lovely little coffee shop tucked away. There's Tess.
Coffee.
There we go. Lovely little coffee shop. I believe it goes round. This is literally up the road from our resort. Like 5 minutes on the bike. So it's lovely. Tables. That'll make a good picture. Another set of tables down there. Stunning. I think we go down here. Step up on this platform. This overlooks the road and the mountain view and the sea in the back. And obviously there's the road. Wow. Gorgeous. Love a little seating area down there. Let's go up these steps.
That's video.
It's a video. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Nanaw Cafe.
This is Nanaw Cafe.
What's it called?
Nanaw Cafe.
Oh, okay. Have a little table and chairs. Amazing. Right, that's me.